In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Booking.com to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can link the app quickly and confidently without any guesswork. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click it to open the menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where all your customization and connection options live, so it's the best place to manage anything related to apps. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Click that to open the App Management panel. Here, you'll see options that let you discover and add integrations. Look for the button that says Explore Apps or Add More. Different interfaces may label it slightly differently, but both take you to the same place, the App Discovery page. On the App Discovery page, there's a search field at the top. Click in that field and type Booking.com. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the official Booking.com app. Check the name and description to be sure it matches what you expect and isn't a similarly named third-party option. Selecting the correct app helps ensure a smooth and secure connection. Once you've found it, click Connect. At this point, simply follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. These prompts can vary based on your account and region, but they typically involve granting permission so ChatGPT can interact with the app. Read each prompt carefully and confirm only what you're comfortable sharing. If you're asked to approve specific access, review the details so you understand what features will be enabled. You won't need to enter any sensitive information directly into the script of this process, and you should never share passwords or personal data outside the official authorization screens. If the screen notes anything about availability, updates, or permissions, just proceed as directed. Occasionally, you might be reminded to check your app settings or confirm your selection one more time. That's normal and helps verify everything is properly linked. After you complete those prompts, the connection is done. You've successfully linked Booking.com to ChatGPT. From here, you can expect the app to be available within your ChatGPT experience according to the permissions you granted. If anything seems off, retrace the same path through your profile, settings, and apps to review the connection details. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Settings, select Apps, Explore, search for Booking.com, choose Connect, and follow the on-screen instructions. You're all set.